one of those things like electricity. People don't realize it unless they can't turn on their light switch. You would realize it really quick if you can't flush your toilet.
The biggest reason I like the job is we're family. We work well together. We have fun at work.
We've got a very important job to do. A lot of dangerous stuff that we do, but we tackle it head on and we get it done.
O'Fallon's Water and Sewer Department operates and maintains both the city's water treatment plant and O'Fallon's own state-of-the-art regional wastewater treatment plant. This dedicated team of professionals keeps the water flowing both in and out of our houses.
Working with water and wastewater it's a health issue. It's making sure you have quality water to drink for your residents, making sure you have treated water for the wastewater so it doesn't kill the wildlife or the environment. It's an important thing for the community, but it's also rewarding because I or my guys have made that happen. We have a lot of talented, trained employees. They've worked in the industry for years, and they really care about what they do. You know, they know what their job is, and they just go do it.
Well, it's important. It feels good to make sure that we're getting good, clean water out to people, and make sure that when you trying to get water out of people's houses, it goes where it's supposed to go, gets treated well before it goes to the Mississippi River.
Anything from when you flush your toilet goes through the dishwasher in industry, water has to leave the drain. It has to go somewhere. Well, that water has to come here, or it comes to a facility that's like this one. The whole idea of the plant is to let the solids settle out. So we try to remove the solids and continue to push cleaner and cleaner water through the system. We're basically a bug farm. And we use microorganisms to actually eat the solids that are in the water. And that's a big part of how our biological nutrient tanks work. It's an extended air biological process that uses bugs.
It's a fun environment. Everybody takes the job serious, but you have a little fun with it during the day.
We got regulations to meet. We provide clean water for the city. So, at the end of the day, we're very focused on our tasks and what we got to do to maintain our operations and good products at the end of the day.
But it's all good camaraderie and just a joy to work with because everybody communicates multiple times a day. Everybody's on the same page is what's awesome about being here. And everybody here is top notch. At the end of the day, we make sure that we get it done.
Not every city has their own water plant. It does give you the flexibility so you don't have to buy all your water. We have it on site. We do a good job. This plant makes good water. The operators are the key here. They're the important people. I'm trying to make sure to help them so they're successful. We want to do well for the city of O'Fallon.
Everywhere you look, there's projects. The new project, everything's coming together, and so it's getting an updated our biological nutrient removal system.
This project started in July of 2020. A few months still to go, and it's a big piece of this puzzle, the treatment system. It provides the main aeration and BOD and ammonia removal for the plant. It's been online for a few months now, showing good signs of treatment, and we're excited to be moving forward with a better system and better treatment, better water quality for everybody.
The action that's going on here at the wastewater treatment plant is unbelievable. We're just constantly stepping and fetching. Electricians have questions, the construction guys have questions, they come to us. Operations takes care of the operations part, that's Dave. I take care of all the maintenance part, that's me. We work hand in hand. We try to make sure that everything's functioning, working well. We have a real good relationship because he knows about maintenance, we know a little bit about operations. We try to keep everything running and flowing.
We're getting ready to do a new headworks at the wastewater. At the water treatment plant, we're getting new filters. They just remodeled 2 new wells. We actually have drilled for a possibility of another well, so we have test samples.
Always looking for future improvement, the Water and Sewer team has enlisted a local engineering firm to help improve the quality of our water and its system.
We're looking at pre-oxidation of the water as well as filtration. So you may have seen earlier today the work going on in the filters. We helped do some of the preliminary upfront design for that. And then now we're focusing on the oxidation, so how to oxidize iron and manganese that are present in the raw water so that they can be removed easily in the plate cellars and in the filters. So what we're trying to do is see if a different chemical or a different sequencing of chemicals could save the city money, allow them to treat the water more effectively and more efficiently. I think the staff here at O'Fallon does a great job of putting public health and public protection first, right? And so just because something is working well doesn't mean it's the best it can be, and it doesn't mean it can't be better. So they're doing a great job of looking out for how can we continue to improve, how do we continue to produce great water moving into the future as our facilities get older as well.
You know, I worked with a private company for about 20 years, and then since coming to the city of O'Fallon, it's been a pretty large weight lifted off, not worrying about profits, not worrying about anything. We just focus on water and wastewater, and we make it right.
What makes it worthwhile is the people you come to work with. It's just a lot of fun.
I do have a lot of pride what I do here for the city of O'Fallon. It's good to know that I'm doing something that helps the environment. There's challenges that come along the way, but ultimately we have a good group of people here to hit them head on, and we just take a lot of pride in what we do for the city of O'Fallon.